Welcome to all. Now I am tell about to solve your phone hanging problem. You can try restarting your phone, clear app cache, closing unnecessary background apps, updating your operating system, freeing up storage space by deleting unused files, uninstalling recently downloaded apps, checking for malware and considering a factory reset. If other methods fail, if the issue persists, contact your phone manufacturer for further assistance. Key steps to troubleshoot a phone hanging issue. Restart your phone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches causing your phone to hang. Close background apps. Check for apps running in the background and close any that are not needed. Clear app cache. Go to your phone's setting and clear the cache for apps that are using a lots of storage. Update your software. Ensure your phone's operating system is updated the latest version. Manage storage space. Delete unnecessary files, photos, and videos to free up storage space. Uninstall unused apps. Remove applications you no longer use. Check for malware. Scan your phone for potential malware or viruses that might be impacting performance. Disable animations. Some phones allow you to reduce visual effects, which could improve performance. Consider a factory reset. If other methods fail, performing a factory reset can sometimes resolve the issue. But remember to back up your important data beforehand. Thank you.